Good day, BraveHearts. Shalu here. It's been a few days. I think I've missed 3 days of hopping on and checking in with you all. It's been a little heavy. I'll be honest with you. It's been a little heavy. We're in the process of clearing out Mom and Dad's home. The house is sold, so just trying to decide what to do with a lot of their stuff. I have 5 other sisters, so trying to see who needs what, what can be of use, what needs to be given away. Just a lot of things to go through. And it's really making me think about the time when my own time comes for my transition, right? Just all the stuff that we collect, and all the stuff that may have meaning to me, but what will it be like for the people that are having to deal with it? So really giving me a whole new perspective on the stuff I want to hang on to, and just how much decluttering I have to do in my life, and it's not a bad thing to sort of have a look at how do we define ourselves, right? Is it with the things we have? Is it with the things we give? Or is it with who we are and the time that we spend? So really just a lot of emotions, sort of coming up, a lot of introspection, a lot of just cleanup, physical and emotional going on right now. And as I continue in my practice, and I've got a few young ones that I'm dealing with. When I say young, people in their 20s, 30s, right? And you get this feeling of hopelessness, right? There's a lot of loneliness right now, and many times you'll hear them say, what's the point of it all? And the point of it all is that the human spirit is so amazing that we can do so much, but we've got to be having our focus right. It's like the compass. You got to always be pointing north, right? So we have to choose to see just how amazing we are. We have to choose to acknowledge that there's a reason we're here. We have to choose to dig deep and find our passion and our purpose, because without that, what is the point? Why get up out of bed? What excites you enough and scares you just a little to get out of bed each morning and go, this is what I'm going to do today. This is what I'm going to accomplish. This is what I'm going to experience, right? So really, really important to take the time to look inside and go, why am I here? What can I share? What is my gift, right? So I would encourage you to take a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper. That is you. Now, what do you want to create? So many times, I know for me, for a few years, my solar plexus was shut down. And even now, I don't think it's totally awake. It's not totally open. I've got to work back to opening it up so that I can connect with that creative aspect of myself and really figure out what my mission is on this planet as to exactly how I'm meant to serve all of mankind and live my passion and my purpose. So, I give that example of a bird when it's flying, right? The wings go up, but then they come back in. And then to go higher, they go back up again, right? So there's times when our wings are open and we are going to the higher state, and then when the work has to be done, we got to close them back down and sort of to go higher. So go within. And I think over the last 3 days, that's the time I was taking to sort of go back in and go, okay, what can I do? How can I sharpen my pencil? How can I sort of really get more focused on what I want to do and accomplish so that I can better serve and fulfill my mission? So just my thoughts for today, what transitions are happening, that you can visibly see in the physical reality, and what transitions are happening on an emotional level. What things do you need to sort of let go and let God? Okay? Well, I hope you have a beautiful day. Lots of love.